Welcome guys to wait, what's that? Oh, welcome guys to Farm Life, like housing. Is this an update? So my friend is with me. Do you see it? It's his username is called Pizza Rex 46. Rex Rex I'm I'm a YouTuber. Rex I'm a YouTuber. Uh what am I supposed to do? I do not know the instructions. Oh. Uh. Oh. I'm sorry. How am I supposed to do that? Huh? How? How? How does that work? How? Uh, oh, they're growing now. Hold on. What's the instruction? Oh my god! I see them growing. It's just a block to wood. See they. Oh, they're growing. You sow crops at the sale bin. Just hold them in your hand and click on the bin. Wait, sow bin. Where is the cell? Where's the cell bin? Oh, there's it. Uh, uh, click me. Uh, uh, how am I supposed to do that? How? How? Click me. Oh, why? Why? How? How? I see it. I see something. Come on. Are you serious? Oh! Oh, this sucks. Come on! Get me! Get me! Come on, open this! Come on! Open this! Open that! Adaya! Are you serious? Click. Oh. Wait. Hold on. Oh. So you had to hold? I forgot about this. You're on the way. Just don't. Oh. Oh, there's it. Oh, I got 19. I sell it. Oh, what? Oh. Wait, shop. Don't buy. 5 gold. Carrot seeds, 16 gold. They are more than that. Okay. Oh. I forget about that. Where is that? Now you water. What if you're watering at the pond? Pond or river? That's the one I want to do. Okay, now I'm full of water. Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay. Go to the shop. No. That doesn't. Okay. Okay, I got carrot seeds. And wheat. Let's see how they grow. Did I begin to do that? I just. Oh. Oh. Let's see how they grow. Are they growing? Okay. This. Oh, I see they grow. Oh my god, they grow. That's not where we're at. Now, I got carrot seeds. Okay. So I should water this. Wait. I should water this. I should stop on the block and water it. Oh, that's how it works. Let's see how the carrot seeds grow. There's it. There's it. You know there's farm life, right? Actually, do you want to play this? Just play in Roblox. I don't have a link. That. Okay, come on. Let's go. Hold on, I need to solve it. I will be right back, okay? But I know it's close. Well, we'll do that. 3, 2, 1. Now we did that. Now what we're gonna do is buy this. Never mind. Oh, forgot it. I got 13 words, wheat seeds, and 6 carrot seeds. That's a lot. Okay. But we're gonna plant this. Oh. I might step on the block. Okay, this. Okay. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. And I got 8. And I got get 8 subscribers. What? Oh, the rain did that. Okay, I'm gonna land around. Let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness, the rain is raining so lot. Okay. Oh, it's watering. It's watering so much. I'm gonna wait before the carrots grows. Oh, jeez. That might be so cool. Okay, let's... Okay. Why are you trying to click it? Okay. Oh, there's it. Okay, carrot, and carrot. Oh my goodness, I did that. What? What? Why? I tried to hold it, but... Ah! Why are you doing this? Ah! Come on! Oh, jeez, I have to do this. Okay. So I need to water everything. Where? Everything. I gotta water everything. Oh, there's no water. I gotta refill this up. There's it. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. This. Let's make the soil. Actually, what's that? I don't know about that. Oh my god, I have less water. I need to I need to refill my water bucket again. Now there we go. You know what? Check out this. Now carrot time. Now I got 13 of them, right? Okay, I got them. Plant by row. I go plant by row. Oh, there's it. Oh my god. That plant was over there. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, they're growing a lot. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot of that. Okay. This. Okay. This one. Are you serious? Oh, come on. Never mind, I will sell that. Oh! Oh. Oh, there's it. Are you serious? Where am I gonna go? Why? Why can't I collect it yet? Oh, there's it. That was like this. Come on, come on. This, go. Okay, let's take that. Take this. Okay. 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 Oh, it's. Are you serious? Click me with the item you want to sell. Oh, jeez, I got a lot of gold. You know, I'm gonna plant a lot of wheat seeds. You know what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna get a lot of gold, right? Oh my goodness, so many of them. Oh my goodness, I had so many wheat seeds. Oh, oh my god, I spotted one. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. Oh my goodness, I can't handle this anymore. Okay, come on, I got it. Oh my god, they are growing now. Okay. Now I need to fill this water up. Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now we got the water. Let's go plant these. Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on. You know I put. Oh. 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 Oh my god, they're full growing. Okay. Let's go get it. Get it. This. Okay. Let's go get this. Oh my god, spend a lot of my gardens. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I sell a lot. I'm gonna sell a lot, right? I took my space. I just... Ah! Okay. What? Oh my goodness. Click with the... It's not working. Bruh! What? That took forever. Why? Are you serious? I'm not even paying attention to the tutorial. No. Why is it moving so slow? Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, geez, I still got the same amount. Oh. Come on! What? That took forever. Now I'm up to 705. That's a lot. You know? You know I pushed it a lot. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my goodness! Look how many ants! Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Okay. Yeah, I'm eating for dinner. Now guess I'm at performing farm life. Wait, how is supposed to fit? Is that my garden? And this? Oh, that's right next to me. Is that my home? Let's see. I think that's his phone. That's my home. That's mine. I knew that. I've been putting on the. Okay. And this, we're gonna water everywhere. Yay. Okay. Oh, 0. There's actually, this stone really looks like my spawn. My spawn is over here, remember? Okay, let's okay, done. Okay. Oh, I'm out of water. I need a big bucket of water. Okay, let's go get some. Okay, let's water. Come on, water. Come on, let's water. Oh, out of water. No, I'm seriously out of water. Okay. Let's water all of it first. Oh, it drains life. Very. Oh, I had a little bit of water. No. Oh. I just had a little bit of water. Could you see? Yeah, I saw it. Do you see that? Look at my downs. Down to the right. Right here. Do you see that? This is the water help bar. That. Oh, I forgot to refill. Here's it. Okay. Out of water. I can still see a little bit of water. Okay. Land. Actually out of water. Okay. Let's put this. What's happening? Okay. 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 Let's plant it. Okay. Okay. Let's plant it. Oh! They're brand new. Oh my god, they're so shiny. Look at that. Okay, 2 of those. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. There's more. Oh my god. Oh. I'm sorry, what? Oh. They drew it out. Oh no, I gotta collect. Are you serious? Come on. Pick that up. Before it deletes it. Okay. I'm collecting these. Is that almost here? Oh. Are you serious? Did you just literally see that? You know I have a lot, right? Okay, let me plant. What, are you serious? Ah. Oh, I need to also plant here, I guess. You see how many? How many did I got? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I got a lot of goats. You know what? No, I'm not gonna spend all of them. I'm starting to miss that. Okay. Okay. This. Okay, let's go plant that. Okay, I'm gonna collect this. Oh, forgot about that. Oh, where is that? Oh, there's it. Okay. What? Wait, I ran out. Uh, that's serious. Huh? What is happening? Okay. Oh my goodness. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my goodness. And there's 6. Wait, what's 13 times 6? Let me think. Is it Sunday? Is it Sunday 8? Comment. Yes or no. Is 13 times 6 equals 78? Okay, let's water. Never mind. Let me refill my water. Low energy. Okay, there we go. What's he every time? Okay. I'm gonna do it on the 2 by row. Oh, forgot it. Wait, how many? It has 10 waters. My inventory. Oh, not my ammos. Oh, okay. You know I had full one. I'm supposed to sell it. 6. Oh, so okay, so. What just happened to my selling? What if I feed it? Right here. Should I feed it? Oh. Feed feeder. Hold on, where do I get the animals? Oh, small egg. Go. What? I didn't know that. Large egg. Pirate bed. Oh, rain dance. Goodness. So thank you for guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, click the bell, and like this video. Peace out.